Did you know you can create your own commands in Claude Code? Now I'm going to create a next app using this command. You can change the application name like whatever name you want. Here I'm using npm package manager to install. Let's wait for the installation to finish. After installation is finished, go to the folder and run this command npm dev. You see I got some errors in the console, and sometimes you see it is difficult to debug. Let's fix this issue with Claude Code. In any new project, you need to initialize Claude, which will take some to process the whole codebase. Please wait for some time. After some time, it will ask whether you want to create claude.md file. Please select the second option to continue. Then, you will see all the instruction in which Claude analyzed are written to claude.md file. Now you can see claude.md file here in project directory. Now let's go and create Claude project directory in commands subfolder and the name of the custom command like whatever name you can have. Here I have app-debug.md. Here I have given instructions based on the issues I'm facing during application start, so I have created my own set of instructions. I have asked to check for error in npm run dev, then if any error occurs, to fix it. And also test the result using test cases, also make sure that server should not stop. Now I'm entering the custom command which I have created. It start to analyze the full project and come up with the solution. It is suggesting me some fix to update. Also it will ask for any command or bash execution in the project. For confirmation, check it and select yes. This process takes some time and I'm fast forwarding. Finally the whole process took some amount of time. It tested with all the test cases, whether all URL are working. Finally I could see my application is running in port 3001. Now I will open the application in my web browser on port 3001. You can see now my application is running. You can also stop the server running by issuing Claude to stop the server as a prompt. Now you see when I run the application separately, all the issue is fixed, we are not getting the errors. This is how Claude automatically fixes errors based on the instruction we provide. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have liked.